So the final tools that are and the available tools are, we have the export personal data. So this export personal data allows you to help website owners to comply with local laws and regulations by exporting own data for a given user in a .zip file. So you can actually export a particular user data. So let's say I have a user now. Let's say I want to export a particular username. So I have to let me find out the list of these. So I have these 3 users on my dashboard. So the example one, and so on. I have those 3 as my users. So you can use these tools to export the personal data. So let's say and when I click on this, I can send personal data export confirmation email, or I can decide not to see it. So then when I click on send request, so and then you can see, so here simply means that I have sent a data export request to the person. So if I to check this box, that means it's going to send a notification to the user that I want to send a personal data export confirmation. But if I should leave this unchecked, that means it's not going to show it. So as you can see, the first one here, I actually checked this box. So that means the person would have to approve. That is why it is pending. So he said waiting for confirmation. But because the second one I actually unchecked this box, so it said status confirmed. So I cannot click on send export link. So it's going to send export link to the username, and the person can actually export his personal data. So and the person can actually export his personal data. So since the status has been confirmed, once I click on send export link, it's going to send the export link to the person. So the same thing also goes for erase personal data. So if I want to erase personal data, I can click on a particular personal data. So let's say sample 1, and I click on send request. So when I click on send request, it's going to send a confirmation. It's going to I can actually erase the personal data of the user. So that's all how export personal data and erase personal data. That's how it works.